though.
Hey!
Here on the near side of your picture as this spectator starts racing the horses.
Well, we've just seen illustrious Prince Bede available, but the attention will focus on the absolute idiot who surely has to be banned for life from racecourses everywhere in the United Kingdom and maybe in the world, because you just can't do that. But he's actually joined in, hasn't he? He's racing the horses. I mean, what is happening? How has he been allowed to get into that position?
So freaking cute. Oh my God! Oh no! He's too smart. Oh, he's so cute.
Just knifed into the balloon, and for a fraction of a second the water is just hanging there in one place.
Very, very well at all. This time of the year we're trying to convince them that it's a good time to breed, so we're actually feeding them the same amount of food but spread out through 7 days.
This little guy has proved a hit in Yinhua, China this week. Yep, as you can see, he's one special rooster who can walk upright like a penguin. The rooster is said to have contracted a cartilage disease when it was small, which caused its body to become malformed.
5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more.